Words of Saint Kabir, timeless answers to modern doubts. In just 2 lines, life's greatest truth purifies the mind.
Can true love ever stay hidden? Love can't be hidden. When lips are silent, eyes speak through tears.
What hurts deeper, a sword or a word? Harsh words burn like fire, a saint's words cool like rain. Will people smile or cry when you're gone? You cried when you were born. Live so that when you die, you smile and they cry. Do true efforts ever go unrewarded? True work never fails. Even across 7 seas, reward arrives. Can washing the body cleanse the heart? What use is bathing if the mind stays impure? Even a fish lives in water, yet never loses its smell. Is devotion born from love or fear? All worship in fear. Fear is life's touchstone. None become fearless. What kind of speech makes even enemies gentle? Speak words that melt the ego, cooling others, cooling yourself. What if peace begins not outside, but inside you? When the mind is calm, there are no enemies. Dropping ego brings compassion. Where do hearts truly meet? In words or in silence? When hearts unite, all sweetness blooms. That is the saint's path. Do harsh words ever win a heart? Speak gently. Even the Ganga stays cool, though born from broken rocks. Why polish the body if the mind stays dirty? A pure body with a filthy heart is hypocrisy. Better the crow. One color, one truth. Can ego and love live in the same heart? When I existed, the Guru wasn't. Love's lane is too narrow for two. If not now, then when? Do tomorrow's work today, today's work right now. Life can end in a blink. How do we find God? All at once or grain by grain? Even elephants can't pick sugar from sand. Collect it grain by grain, that's how we find the Lord. Who truly escapes death, king or beggar? All who are born must leave, king or beggar alike. Can love exist without reverence? Without sacred fear, there's no devotion. When fear dies, all discipline fades. How can one give peace while burning inside? You find no peace yourself, yet teach calm to others. Can the greatness of the Guru ever be written? If earth were paper and seas ink, Still, the Guru's glory can't be written. When does persistence turn into foolish stubbornness? Don't be stubborn. The wetter the blanket gets, the heavier it becomes. Can we plant thorns and expect mangoes? Why repent now? Plant thorns and you'll never taste mangoes. Do diamonds need to shout their worth? The great don't boast. A diamond doesn't say, I am precious. It just shines. Who will speak if the master himself stays silent? When the master is silent, even the ruined field can't complain. Does wisdom come from books or from love? Reading books make none wise. One who learns love is truly learned. Why does a true guru strike his disciple? The guru, like a potter, supports within while shaping from outside.